Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from Wiggins Hair. This is everything that they sent over in the packaging. So the wig that we're trying today is the 22-inch ready to go loose deep wave wig. It's a 7x4 wig. So in this video I'm going to be taking it straight out the package so you guys can see how it is and how it comes straight out the pack. Look at the hairline, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-everything. It has an adjustable strap on it. It has two clips on the side. The middle is wefted, and then it has a clip at the back. I'm gonna start by tinting my lace. I'm using the even lace tinting spray like always in the darkest color, and then I'm going to just put my cap on. It's as simple as that. I like to wear a black wig cap because it just looks better with my skin tone. So this is what it looks like, y'all. Look at their hairline. Like, yeah, I'm very impressed. They did a really good job plucking the hairline and everything. So this is a very low maintenance wig. You don't have to do much. Right now I'm just finger detangling the curls, and now I'm going to define my part. And of course we're going to do a little bit of styling. So I'm just defining my part, and then I'm going to go in with my wax stick. And now I'm going to just spray the curls. I'm going to saturate all of the curls, and then I'm going to use my paddle brush to detangle everything. Hair is fully detangled and my hair is saturated and everything. I'm just going to frame my face a little bit. I'm going to use my scissors to frame my face. I know I need to get better scissors, y'all. Watch. Next video, I'm going to have better scissors. Okay, maybe not the next one, but maybe the next one after that. Now I'm going to use the Lotta Body Curl and Style leave-in conditioner to really make the curls pop, and it has like a really nice hold to it as well. Now I'm just like scrunching up the curls a little bit so it can be even curlier as it dries. I just pinned up my hair out of the way, and I'm gonna let it air dry for about like 80% of the time. This is what it looks like when it's like 80% dry. It's almost dry, but I'm just going to use my blow dryer to let it dry the rest of the way. Okay, y'all, this is what the hair looks like now that it's dry. I love the little ringlets on it. This loose, deep wave is really pretty. I'm showing you guys the up close of the hairline, and of course it is completely glueless, and here's more proof. So yeah, y'all, look at the angles, look at the curls. I like how it's kind of like a ringlets. I don't know, I mean, they're waves, but they're like, I don't know, they're like thick or something. They look really cute. So anyway, I'm just showing you guys the back of it and how thick it is, the luster of it, and I'm just pulling it down to show you how long it is on me. I'm 5'6", it's 22 inches, and then we're gonna just pull it off and put it on really quickly, just so you guys can see how quick it is to just put on and go in the morning time. So yeah, if you guys like this wig, definitely check out the Wiggins website. Thank you, Wiggins, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.